Warri Wolves coach Peter Nikitin believes his side can progress to the next round of the CAF Champions League in spite of losing at home to El Merreikh in the first leg. Abu Gaber's side and his strike earned the Sudanese a valuable away win against the Seasiders, who reached this stage of the competition without kicking a ball after their opponents from Sao Tome and Principe failed to show up. The coach hopes to work on the team's lapses and get the required result in Sudan.
Are scoring chances. You'll find out that this is a new team. The team is just building up. We lost 16 players last year. That notwithstanding, it's not an excuse for the defeat. We had our own moments. We did not convert it. They only had a counter-attack, which we played carelessly, and they converted it. We're going to go back to the drawing board. We're going to work. We still have, it's still 50-50. If they can score here, we believe that we can also score there. It's a working process. We're going to do everything to overturn the result at the next leg.
We saw that if we are very fast in ball reconversion, we can punish them. That's what we did in first half. Normally in second half, you have again to do it a second time or the third time. But also I congratulate all my boys who respected very well the tactics. We deserve the win, but okay, we can score 2 or 3 goals. But also I think Warriors deserve perhaps to score 1 goal. I think that our win is justified. Yeah.